Okay my friends, so today is going to be a video on how to ceramic coat your engine bay, plastic and rubber. And for this, we're gonna review the product from Bola Solution, plastic and rubber. It's called PolyShield Mud, all right? It's a true ceramic coatings for your plastic and rubber. And for this, I decided to use it as a coating for the interior of the engine bay, but you could use it for a plastic bumper, any plastic trim around your car. This product will be used to restore and rejuvenate your old plastic, but also it can improve the look and protect the finish of your newer plastic. So this engine bay is only 3 years old, so we're gonna prep it and we're gonna coat it, and I'll show you the before and after. We'll test out also the water repellency of this product, which we already have seen the power, the extreme power of this product on my previous video where we use it on a WeatherTech very porous plastic mat. It's an 8-year-old mat. In the box, you're gonna get a block and then 2 micro suede to wrap around. All right. You can also just use this by hand if you have some really intricate material or shapes. So before we start the whole process, you're gonna have to do a full wash of the engine bay. There's many ways to end up with a clean engine bay. For me, you know already, I like to use a water source and an APC. So we're not gonna talk about cleaning the engine bay. There's so many videos online about it. I recommend that you clean it the way you prefer. You can use a steamer, you can use a garden hose, a pressure washer. In my experience, I've never had a problem with an engine bay. As long as you don't shoot water in your air filter, you should be all right. So with that being said, guys, clean it up and let's get into the rest of the prep and the application. So let's get into it. Now, when your plastic are washed and 100% dry, be careful with water drips. You don't want water near your coating application. And now you can go ahead and remove some of your plastic panel when possible for easier access. But here I'm mainly doing this to get a different view for you guys on the camera. And by the way, stay tuned because we'll have a water test on the engine bay by the end of the video. So you guys don't want to miss that. Okay, we're almost there now, so we're ready to apply our ceramic coating. But as usual, let's do a final wipe down with a panel prep to make sure that we have a residue-free surface to apply the Bola Solution PolyShield Mud. And for this process, I'm using the Armor Detail Supply panel prep, which smells really good, by the way. To apply our plastic and rubber coating, wrap the suede around the provided block, and for the hard to reach area, I'll just use the suede by itself to get in the nooks and crannies. I'm going to prime it with 12 drops and apply as evenly as possible, but there's no special technique here. Just get the product on the plastic and wait about 2 minutes before wiping it off. As you can see, it almost self-level, and just a few dabs with the microfiber to remove the excess. As you apply the coating, you can already tell how rich and dark the plastic becomes. It's very satisfying. Now let's apply Bola Solution PolyShield to the engine cover. I'll do only half of this part to help you see the before and after. Well guys, I didn't expect such a dramatic 50-50 and I'm really pleased with the results. Now let's finish the rest of the job. I'll apply the product to the rest of the engine bay, the rubber seals, the hard plastics, and I can't wait to show you the overall finished look of the whole compartment. No streakiness, no blotchiness in the plastic, so I'm really pleased with the result. Like I said, even a beginner or a dummy can apply this product. It's really that easy. So it's been about 10 minutes and this thing is already super hard, ready to be thrown away. All right guys, so we have coated everything. Now we're 24 hours later, super hydrophobic. So just look at the engine cover. So that's pretty good. Again. Very, very, very hydrophobic. Look at those beads, my friends. This is some serious stuff here. If this is something that you think it's for you, I think it's pretty cool. Just completes the engine bay. Even though you might not look at your engine bay all that much, it's still pretty good. It's pretty fun. It's a nice project that you can work on your car. No real risk and improve the look of the engine bay. Give it a good clean, coat your plastic and your rubber. Oh, I forgot. I will also do the water test on the rubber seal. So you get a nice protected rubber as well. Okay guys, so what do we know so far? Well, I looked up on carzilla.ca, it's $65.99 for this bottle. We applied it on 2 WeatherTech mats. We applied it on this engine bay and I'm left with actually about half of the bottle. So really cost effective, easy to use. It added beauty to a fairly brand new engine bay. So we know that it works on new plastic. Well, this engine bay is 3 years old. It added beauty to the engine bay. It rejuvenate and added depth to the plastic. And we also know, according to my previous video, that it restore plastic like WeatherTech mats, but it could also restore bumpers or any plastic trim that you have on your car. So guys, this product from Bola Solution, PolyShield mud, get my stamp of approval. Very nice product, cost effective, easy to use. If you guys want to play with your plastic on your car, this is a very good option in my opinion. So guys, check it out. The link is in the description. And with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next one.